once we have the when, then we have to define the where. Where do we want to store the information that we're talking about? Well, the first is local snapshots. Now, local snapshots provide you with a local instant incremental backup of the system, and it is represented on our map by the snapshot pool indication. Local dedupe, of course, again, was for that longer term local retention and is shown as the dedupe backup pool. Remote dedupe, as I said earlier, long-term remote retention at an offsite location and is represented by the dedupe DR pool. The important thing to remember here is that this dedupe pool is local to the remote system. In some scenarios, customers actually use a business continuity model in which the local system, I'll pick a location, is in Boston, and I'm taking my production information, I'm snapping it, I'm deduping it, I'm sending it across to my Chicago system. But in Chicago, they actually have a production system to the snapshot pool, to the dedupe pool, and they're replicating it back to me. That means that the dedupe pools at each site must be capable of storing all of the local dedupe information as well as the replicated information coming into it. The mirror, as I said, is a snapshot pool at the remote site. And OnVault is the cloud. When you set up an OnVault pool, what you're doing is you're defining the information necessary to access that system. Say I'm using AWS. I would define all of the parameters necessary to speak to that system. And when we go to move information into the cloud, we actually use the Vault pool as the indication of that information.
Thank you for joining us for another YouTube Tech Tip video. If you like the content you're seeing on this channel, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you will be alerted to any future content.